Yeah, your section, this named section. Okay, portfolio navbar, brand image. That's okay. You can see here we have same nav links for the menu, but why you used different classes name for the each thing? Like it have nav link, it is nav link 3, it's nav link 2, it's again nav link. If we have the same thing, you can use the same nav class, same class. It will be make things easier. Yeah.
I don't know that the 2 and the 3 were created after, and I just added them like on when you add them on the
Yes, what the problem we face here? Like let me change the text color to red for this word. It don't have effect on the other ones. If we have the same class, it should be changeable for the all nav links. Like it
okay.
don't have class. Now I just copy it nav link and I assign this class to this item. It's automatically changed its color. Similarly, if I remove this class and assign this class navlink, it's automatically. Now just what I need to do, just I click on any one of the item and I change its color to blue. It's happen for all. It
Okay.
saves your time and it's make things easier. And
Thank you.
yeah, classes names should have like it's okay navlink. Just I want to add here. Uh, 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 nav link menu nav link, like the name of the class should have the name of the class should have description for for what purpose we are using that class name. And one thing more I want to add here is what I want to add. I think okay. When yeah, on the each page for the classes name I want to add for the each page, if you are using a smaller small alphabets, you should have small alphabets for all classes. If you are using naming system like this, Napper link, then it should be the same for the all classes on each page. Like the for the consistency for the like it will be it will be easily to understand, and it's looking good for anyone who go through that classes name or who go through the project.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And try to avoid use these numbers like image 2, image 3, image 4. Uh, we can handle it with just a minute. You can see here what's happened. The parent have 50 pixels, but the child have size bigger than its parent. Like brand have 15 pixel, parent is 300 pixels. It's not the good thing. We should have like how we can handle it. Like
So that would affect like if I click it outside the
yes, yes, yes. When you
okay.
when you when you hover, just a minute. One thing, let we fix this bug. Okay, it's and don't need here this thing, and let I took the brand here. I used 300 and handle it with 100 pixels. That's a better way.
Okay.
Oh, okay. The another thing is same here. You used max width, and your text is going outside of the container, or and never used fixed width for the heading or for the paragraph. If you want to handle it, its width. What is the proper way? Proper way is that you can use a container. You can use like a div block. Like I move this heading into this, and I want to remove this 400 width of the heading. If you want to control it like I am using here, just a dummy class for the sake of understanding, container small, sorry, my small spelling have mistake, and 400. Mm, Now you can actually, our font size have is very large, therefore it's going outside of the container, so we need to manage it. Yes, it's looking nice. What you have used, okay, you are using image with your hmm. Okay, one thing I want to add more for both of you. uh, Here is, you can see that it's saying that your image size is very large. Okay, we need to optimize, because otherwise it's make your site slow. We should need to use image size like 150 KB or 100 KB, something like this. Try to use smaller size of the images as
We
possible.
made it outside Webflow, like in the,
Yes, you can,
okay.
you can use like Photopia, or you can compress it using some online tool. Okay, this is the slider. You both of you should uh, what I can say, yeah, should study on the classes name, how we can handle the classes name. For this you can use a client first YouTube tutorial also. It will be very helpful for you to understand, or I will give you some read only link of the project which I have used proper naming system. You can learn from here, from there. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
I have a question there.
Yes, please.
The first time the time I did it, I like copied this block from this
Yes.
block to paragraph and inserted it in all these sliders. But I think that would be easier with CMS, right?
Yes, we can easily handle it with the CMS collections. uh,
But in that case, the CMS should be the div block or the slide.
for in that case, you can use a CMS collection like this, like now actually we don't have any collection, therefore uh, uh, did we study about the CMS collection in our last class? I don't think so,
No,
right? I will for the CMS collection, I will discuss about, I will discuss with you in the separate class.
Okay.
to cover all the related things with CMS, and it will be helpful and not confusable.
Okay.
Yeah, for the sake of understanding and to save time. Why it have a lot of space on the bottom?
I don't know.
Because you put enter.
Yep. That.
You don't you don't need to use enter for anything. What is the proper way for the spacing? You must use a div block for the each item. Like how? Just click on here and put this h2 in this div block. Similarly, hmm, this put this paragraph in this div block. Now how we can handle it? Let me give this a class like margin top. Okay, and we can give it to like 20 pixels or 40 pixels, how much I want. That's a proper way. Don't give any margin or padding to the paragraph or heading, or don't give to or don't need to give any fixed width or height to the paragraph element or heading element. What's the proper way? You can use it within the div block, and you can give the properties
Okay.
to its parent class. Okay, and
Okay.
yes, one thing more I want to add. Yes, you know, this slider element have here 300 fixed weight, but why its parent element have here 800 fixed weight?
I don't know.
The reason
I
is
don't
that
remember when I checked it.
yes, when you used when you use slider within the Webflow, it have by default size of the 300 max height by default. uh, Let me, yes, it's this 300 is by default. How we can handle it? We will make it auto.
Okay.
Okay, and
And you,
as I discussed above, we don't need to use any fixed height. It should be handleable with respect to the our size of the content. Automatically, we don't
next.
need to use like padding. We can use paddings, and like our content will be handle it automatically
Okay. So we should use.
like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Another thing is uh, same, instead of max weight, you need to also use this 100% here for weight, as I discussed in the Maria project.
Okay.
And the same thing for the classes, like you use label 6, label 7, instead of you can use the same class for the all labels, because all labels have the same color. Like I am changing its class name, label name. Okay, and just copy this class name, and I am removing this label 7 class and just paste here label name. Okay, now you can easily handle it here.
Okay.
Yes, like this, what you want. These social icons. Okay, I think in I saw in I think in Maria project we did not make. I don't know in Maria project or in another project. Mostly we forget to make these social icons the link block. We should have link blocks for these social icons so we can easily add here our links URLs.
Is that in the
Ye-
mobile version?
Yes, let me.
They stack themselves like on top of them, and I wanted them to be. Yeah, responsiveness is weird too.
Uh, uh, we can handle it like 400 by max width. But if we assign this on the desktop variant, it will be much better. We assigned here this like this 100% have a very this 100% have effect on the all screen sizes. So we should follow like this max width and width with 100%. It will make your elements responsive automatically. You don't need to waste a lot of time on it. Just on clicks it will say it will be responsive. Oh my god, why you are using here position relative with left 250?
Because when I added it to the the normal screen, it stuck like to
No, we don't need to
the
use
right. Okay,
here position relative or this left 250.
it
What's
will
the
be
way?
with
Yes,
let's.
I will show you how we can handle it.
Okay,
We have two waves. One is the like you have some container width. You can use simple margin auto and it will be centered automatically. I am doing undo. What's another way? You can go to its parent class and use the concept of flex. Okay, there is a problem. The slide have disabled these effects. Now how we can handle it? Just go here. Okay, and I just put another. I will give a class name to this. Should have word and 100% height to the container size or to its parent size. Its parent have here 40 pixels and 100 pixels. It's not the perfect thing. What we can do, why it have more? Okay, it is having from here. It this heading have 20 top, therefore it have space about. Okay, how we can handle this now? It also have below. What's the going here? Okay, just a minute. So yes, now I will use the concept of display flex. Just click on here and you can make it centralized using these things. That's the right way. It's not the right way. You can use position relative or you can use here the margin left or padding left or something like this. It will disturb you on the mobile versions. Like you can see now it's much better and
mhm.
it's automatically centered on all screen sizes. It's not looking good here. What we can do, just put here 20, sorry, 20 padding. on the both sides. Now it's much better. Now these are looking bad, but you can make it, you can make your design better as you want, just on clicks. Okay. What's another thing? Uh, are you here, Maria?
Yeah, sure, I am here.
Yes, you can also add your questions or suggestions, what you want, so we can feel that you can hear. You are here.
Thank you. No,
Yeah.
yeah, you're right. In regards to the slider, with the responsiveness, I do have a question.
Yes,
Um,
please.
like the arrows, can they disappear?
Yeah, it's possible. Just
How?
the how I can show you. If you want to hide arrow on each side, like it also allows by the Webflow, like hide arrows at the each end. Now, yes, now you can when we are on the second slide, it's arrows on the both side. When we are on the third slide, it's remove the arrow from the right side. And when we are on the first slide, it's removing the arrow from the first slide. But if you want to remove from the both side, what is the way? Just go here and assign proper classes. Like slider left arrow. Similarly, slider right. Okay, one thing I want to ask, Sami mentioned in the chat, you want only 1 hour class, right?
Oh, yes. We
And
forgot.
yes, and it's more than 1 hour. Let
Well,
we finish.
maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Finish.
Yeah,
But
a few
last
minutes is
time
Uh,
okay.
Yes,
we said it because last time it was for us like 9 p.m.
Yes, I believe that 2 hours maybe it's too much, but right now we're fine, right, Adriana?
Yeah,
okay,
we are
no
fine.
problem. For now, we have 10 minutes, and we try to finish the Adriana project, overview of the Adriana project, and it's much better. If we take this to the next class, then it will be difficult to remember things.
Okay.
It is.
Yeah. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. If you want to
It is
remove left,
shorter too.
yeah, please.
It is shorter too. I mean, I only have one page. So
Okay, just let me answer to the Maria question. If you want to remove the arrows from the left and right, I just assign classes to them, and you can hide it using display
Oh, okay.
display hide or display none.
And for
That's the way.
example, I can show them in the computer screen, and then on the phone screen, I can hide them.
Yes, you can do this. Like now it's showing on the desktop version, and that we on the mobile version we can hide them using the same thing, display none.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, now it's showing on the desktop version, but on the mobile version we don't have arrows.
Oh, all right. Thank you.
Yeah.
so when people like swipe with their finger, it would, or they have to click the. All right, they can swipe
On
with
the
their
on the
finger, and it's
mobile
going to.
screen, they can be swipe the slide with the finger. It's
Okay.
yeah. Okay. The same thing I want to repeat here. Use the good classes name, and I will share something with you with respect to this. It's link walk 2, link walk 3, link log 4. It's not the good thing. So need to focus here. Your project is with respect to responsiveness. Your project is much better, but we need more practice to achieve the standards also. Yes, here we need spaces, like it's not looking good. Like
I
how
actually want that to be a bar, just a bar, not like stack on top of them.
One thing I want to add here, this logo is very stretched. It's very small size. Why? Uh, 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 okay, because you assigned here max width 100, therefore it was disturbing. And how we can handle these spaces? Let I used here the concept of grid, and yes, we have 4 items, so it have now much, its look is now much better, but you can make its looks more better. You have one another page? No, you don't have any page.
And no, I don't know.
Yes, about page was
Maybe
empty.
can I like make it in the mobile version? Can
Yes, you can. You want to remove it on the mobile version?
in the footer,
Yeah.
those images like be side by side, but still using the grid.
You want to use side by side, like left and like in the left and right of each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can, but how? For this you need to, actually you need to handle your structure first. When first we need
Okay.
to, yes, what's the way? Just go here and add another div log and put it here and move these social icons inside that block. Okay, and then
Oh,
assign,
okay.
yeah, assign a class like social wrapper, and now like 200, and use the concept of this. Okay, now you can easily handle how you want. If you want it in the same way, you can use this thing, but if you want horizontally, so you can make it horizontal.
Okay.
Yeah.
If I want to center it, I can use the spacing.
Yeah.
That the spacing, the marginator you said.
You can use these align centered for the spacing between each item.
Okay.
Yes, another thing is, if you want to give more space between them, we can, instead of flex, we can use grid. How? Yes, and I can handle from here like 20 pixel gap between them, or 40 pixel gap between them. And instead of the fix thing here, we can remove it. And when we on the mobile version, yes, it's look much better. If you want to make it for handle it vertically, you just need to delete it from the mobile version and add it rows on the mobile variant. We can, and grid have a lot of flexible things instead of flex. You can how much you can play with these elements, you will learn more.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, and I think these are the issues, because what's the reason I discussed with you. We don't have where is this? Yeah.
That's means.
Yes. In the other sliders, it have the same problems, like you can say that it's not centered. It's not centered. The way you used is the better way. Like to copy and paste but first we need to handle it with the flags and something like this, as I discussed above.
Okay.
Okay. I think it's enough for today.
Me
Okay.
too.
Yes, we
I
learned a
think,
lot.
yes, I think because you have done work by your hand, and I just help you to guide you and fix small things so you can learn more as compared to the previous class,
Okay.
Mhm.
because you have done a
Thank
lot
you.
of work by your hand, so it's the best practice.
Okay. Yes, I
Yes,
think we will apply these to our portfolios.
yes, now in the next class I will try to use CMS collections, how to
Okay.
use them, and some other things how we can
I
handle
have
the.
a question.
Yes,
Now I
please.
remember. Sorry. I in the form,
Yeah,
if I want to add another like space for the people to write a message or something like that, how how do I add it?
you want to add like user have an option to add his message in it.
Yeah, like another.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can. You just need to go here and you have an options for the. Yeah, if you want to add another username or user email, you just need to this input, and
Okay.
yes, just click here and copy the same class and paste the same class to it. It will look like same. Okay, and if you want to
Okay.
add the user have an option to add his message, you can copy this text area.
Yes.
Yes, and user can